Hi, everyone. Let's talk about home affordability for a second. I could speak for at least Las Vegas, but definitely the subject is across the country. Similar subject, of course, all across the country with interest rates. In Las Vegas, the home affordability has shifted again. And here's what you need to know. The rates were dropping at the beginning of the year. Buyers were jumping in, and now rates are creeping back up. So, what's happening? Monthly payments are starting to rise again. Buyers are getting more selective, but the serious buyers are still out there. I just represent three of them in the last 2 months. Successful, great transactions. So, if you are thinking about selling, price the property right. If it's updated, even better. Let's talk about it. I'm happy to give you information on the buyer side and on the seller side. Have a great day.